In this video, I'll detail how to use live test on iPhone. So if you're having an iPhone and you want to use live test, this video is going to walk you through. So particularly here, this works on all iPhone, including iPhone running iOS 18, iOS 17, and even iOS 16.5. So if I don't know this video, you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to use live text on iPhone, all you need to do is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down, click on general. Then once you selected general, you want to scroll down and click on language and region. Then once you selected that, make sure live test is enabled. Is that it? So this walks you through how to enable live test. So if live test is not enabled in your own case, make sure this is enabled. Like you can see, select test in images to copy or take action. Then once you've turned on live test on your iPhone, go ahead and open your iPhone camera. Then locate the image whose live test you want to copy. So let's say this particular image. Just locate the image like this. Then once you see the image like this, click on this test icon. There is a test icon at the bottom right just above the camera rotation. Go ahead and click on that. Now once the text is copied, you can just click on the copy all or select all to select all the text. So swipe or tap to select the text. Is that? Then you can use this to select where you want to copy using the live test on your iPhone. Then once you are good, you can just go ahead and click on the copy button here. Then once copied, go to any messaging app or messenger and then open it. You can just come here, then paste the copied text. Is that? Then go ahead and send it. So you can do this through iMessage or normal SMS, and you can paste this anywhere on your iPhone. So you can use Facebook, you can use WhatsApp, you can just use any messaging platform or even email. So you can just copy text on image and send it on your iPhone. So if you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.